elevators are the coolest thing to have at a car event. We haven't even got to the car yet, and I'm already giving him the W. What is up, guys? Welcome to Amsterdam. This is the first time I've ever been here in my life, and I'm only going to be here for 24 hours. Mercedes has invited me and Zach from Jerry Rig Everything out here to Amsterdam for the launch of their A-Class car. It's like their newest car. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you what a full-on media event looks like with Mercedes. Now, I'm going on about 1 hour of sleep right now. Let's get out of my fancy hotel here. We're in this elevator that has no buttons.
Looks like a disco inside.
In the elevator, there's a ball. There are lights. We made it to the loft. It is amazing. There's Zach right there. Look how small he looks. All right, it's been good for the last couple of hours. Zach and I came to this lounge area and I slept on this little couch right there. I must look so silly. Zach was out on that one right there.
We slept on separate couches.
Separate couches in this giant loft. But look at the view. Are you guys seeing this? It's afternoon. Oh. So beautiful. Now is the time to go to the actual events. But the cool thing is we get to take a boat there, a little ferry. So we're gonna head downstairs, get on this boat. Never been on a boat in Amsterdam, on the river, on the canals, rivers, whatever you call them, but let's do this. This is cool, I'm on a boat. Okay, this is a cool thing too. It comes with your own squeegee. You can just like, don't think that did anything at all.
I think you're supposed to take the squeegee, reach out the window, and squeegee the outside.
This guy's smart. I would not have think. Oh, there's another one back here. So Zach, as nice as this is, to be on a romantic boat cruise with you, don't be offended, but I would rather be with Leslie.
That's fine. That's fine.
We're here. We must be close. I see fancy TVs in the hallways and glass wall. Whoa, that's true. Okay, this is the place. We made it inside the event. It starts in about an hour and a half. I'm standing on a circle in the ground, and then there's chairs on the right and chairs on the left. I'm hoping that a car comes up out of the ground right here. That would be pretty cool. Check it out. Circle, right there. So in the last 6 months, I've been to 2 car launches. One of them was the Model 3 for the Tesla, and the other one was the Tesla Roadster and the semi-truck event. While those were super cool, for one reason alone, I give the nod to Mercedes for the better car launch event, and I'm gonna tell you why. Look at all those. You can just go get them. You just eat them. Sorry Tesla, but you better step up your game because Mercedes has got you beat by a long mile just from the gummies. Look what they had there. Look how big these things are. Gummy bears are the coolest thing to have at a car event. We have some great seats. We are in the front row next to the leadership of Mercedes. The cars will be pulling in right in front of us, and I hear that there may be some singing performance by a European singing pop star.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Amsterdam. This car will provide all the latest high-tech at the very same level as our top-of-the-line products. Altogether, we believe the all-new A-Class is an outstanding package that combines the revolutionary spirit with a grown-up attitude.
All right, here comes the fog.
Nice.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, you're right about the fog.
Thank you very much.
All right, I'm gonna get in this one for the first time. I did ride in one in Las Vegas, but it was a camouflage version. Okay, there's plenty of room.
Now that we have the speed permanently displayed in the center, we can also swipe right and make use of that real estate here and have different screens in here. And the same applies over here. So you can have, for instance, an analog watch, your favorite your radio station control, and the map here.
Great.
And this is not all. If you, for instance, want to see a full screen map, you just activate it like that and you get a full screen map that you can zoom in and out.
As I move this touchpad right here, you can see it's moving up here too. So there are multiple ways to do it. You have the steering wheel, you have this touchpad, and then this is actually a touchscreen, and you can use that also. And then of course you can say, "Hey Mercedes, it's hot in here." And she goes and she changes the temperature for you. You can say it's hot in here. You don't have to say like, turn it to 72.5 degrees. You can just say, I'm hot, and it changes. S-Class is the car that most people think of as like the luxury car. But this, as of right now, is the A-Class, which is one of the lower cost entry-level Mercedes, is going to have the nicest user interface and the nicest display and assisted driving out of all of the different Mercedes. I like to compare it in a way to the Tesla Model 3. No, this is not electric. It usually starts around 25,000 euros, so around like 30,000, 35,000 US dollars. The other thing that I like about this is that you can get driver's assistance, or for you Tesla fans, autopilot. They call it assisted driving because they're kind of reserving that for like the autopilot word for level 4, maybe level 5. For a car that you can buy for around 30,000 US dollars with the upgrades, maybe I'm guessing up to maybe $45,000, $50,000 to have autopilot in it, to have the user interface that's really good, to be able to talk to it and just say, hey Mercedes. I think for that price range, to me, it seems like a very good deal, and plus you're getting a Mercedes. So overall, I'm impressed with the Mercedes. I know you think I just love electric cars, but the thing that I love is technology, and it's really what's inside of the car that really matters. And this car is packed with technology, and you'd be hard pressed to find a car that has better technology on the inside and assisted driving that's better than this A-Class that they just announced today. So I love it. Give me some technology that makes the car safer, drive better, and that's something that I want for me and my family. So I've been awake for about 40 hours now with the travel and everything. I don't know if you see it on my face or with my hair. It's been a long day, so we're gonna go back to the hotel, but there's two things I need to do before I leave this place. Number one, I'm taking these sharks home with me because gummies in Europe are so much better than gummies in the US. The second thing that I need to do, the final thing, maybe the most important thing, there's a slide that nobody is going down. Nobody. I mean, these are all professional people wearing suits that are from Europe. But you get me, a goofy YouTuber that does dumb stuff, and you put a slide in the room, you better believe I'm gonna go down it. That's fast. That's really fast.
That was good. That was great. That was great.
Look what I started. Somebody else is going right after I went. Awesome. All right, mission accomplished. We did it. We saw the car. We went down the slide. We got tons of gummy bears. Thanks Mercedes for flying Zach and I out here. Really, really cool. This is not a sponsored video. They did not pay us or tell us to do anything for this, but they gave us the flights and let us come out here to check it out. So what a cool experience.